Well, good day everyone. I'm coming to you from the sugar bush. I got some repairs to do and fix things up. So last year, I don't know if you guys saw my video, but I put a main line in here so I could attach lines coming down like this at certain areas. So I had less lines coming through and I just have one collection point. It'd be a lot easier than having like 6, 7 tubing coming out at the end of the line. But that being said, I'm not a professional at putting these up, so I've kind of winged it. You're supposed to put wire all the way down to help strap it up, which I did at the top half, but the bottom half I have not done. So it's starting to sag on me. This area is not bad, but if you look down here, you can see the sag right there. So I brought some wire out here with me today. I'm gonna get some wire. I got some ratchet straps, some tubing to put around the tree and the wire through the tree so it doesn't grow into the tree. And I'm going to secure this section up, and I'm hoping to have enough wire because I have one other section to do just past there that needs to be done as well. And that's just going to have a better flow, because right now what's going to happen is the sap's going to collect in the lower point right here, and then it's not going to flow around properly. So if I can raise this up about ½ inch or inch, it'll be a lot better slope, and then my syrup, or I guess my sap, will get to where it needs to get to the collection point. So we also have some of these wire clips here. When you put the wire up, you twist it through the tube and the wire so it holds it together, and so it helps keep it up. So that is the tour for today. I don't have my other camera with me right now, just using my phone to record. So I won't be posting any clips together, just a one-shot quick deal here, and not the finished product. Maybe I'll show you the finished product once it's done in a different video here. My computer also broke down on me. The screen went black, so I need to get that fixed, which is gonna be like $800 repair, which is awesome. Just what I need right now. Anyways, I'm gonna get this fixed up here, and then I'll show you the finished product in a different video so you guys can see how it was done.